Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to create a passport size photo with a name tag in Microsoft Word. This method is perfect for making ID photos, school cards, official badges, forms, or personal identification pictures directly Word without using complex photo editing software. So let's get started. Instead of using external tools, you can quickly insert, resize and label your passport photo with a name tag below the image, making it ready for printing document submission. Now we go some down. Then go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Now I am select this picture. Then we can see here the picture. Now I am make the picture passport size. Go to the format menu and select the height is 4.5 and the width is 3.5. Now we can see this image is passport size. Now I add the name tag, select the image and go to the format menu again, click the wrap text option, choose in front of text. Then you can move anywhere this picture. Then go back again the insert menu, click the text box option, choose simple text box. Then I attach the text box on the image. Then write the name. Now I write the name of this image. Then I add the date to start the office joining. Then select the text and go back the home menu, adjust the font size and spacing or apply the font. Then resize the text box. Then select the picture, go to the format menu. Click the picture border option, choose black. Now I select the text box and adjust on the picture. Then select the text box, go to the format menu, select shape outline, make no outline. Now I select the multiple object, then go to the format menu, click it grouped. Now we can see we make a passport size photo with name tag easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.